What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another restocking video, so I really hope you guys enjoy. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Googie's Crafts and I do a lot of DIYs, crafts, and slime videos. And don't forget to give it a really big thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll be notified every time I make a new video. And yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking how to buy from me. I don't have a shop because I had to close it. Nobody was buying from me, so yeah. But I will be opening an NFT very soon. If you guys are wondering how to buy, just check the description box or DM me on Instagram. And make sure they have PayPal and have permission from your parents if you're under 18. So let's just go ahead and get started. So here's Mardi Gras drink, and it will come with one of those charms, and it has a couple of foam beads. It is very like thick slash jiggly, and is one of my favorites. It has a unique texture and it's definitely amazing. It's also scented like spiced pomegranate. It smells so good. I definitely recommend you this one if you like those kind of scents. This one is definitely for you. You guys already know that I had to bring Barry's yogurt back. It's definitely one of my favorites, and a lot of you guys really like this, so I had to bring it back. If you guys don't know about this one is a cool crunchy slime, and it has blue and purple foam beads and blue and purple glitters. Very pretty. It is not scented, but the crunch is amazing. It's definitely one of my favorites, and if you like very crunchy slimes that are holdable, I definitely recommend you this one. So here's Pineapple Crunchy, and this one is inspired by Peachy Babies, and I do have a video on how to make this one, but I kind of twisted it up a little bit. I added sprinkles and I added yellow and green foam beads, so it makes it super nice and thick. And this one is definitely one of my favorites. I brought it back again because it's just amazing. If you like thick and holdable slimes, this one is definitely the one for you. So this one is Blue Rainbow Paradise, and you guys made this one on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me, make sure that you do, so you guys can make some more slimes with me. I'll link my Instagram down below so you guys can follow me. Anyways, this one is a clear blue slime with blue glitters and rainbow foam beads, and this one is not scented, but it's definitely amazing. It's definitely one of my favorites. So this one is chocolate covered strawberries, and this one is amazing. It is a clear milky slime, so it has lotion in it, and it comes with brown marshmallow foam beads. If you guys are wondering how to make the marshmallow foam beads colored, I have a tutorial on it. Just click the little eye on the top, and it will come with a chocolate covered strawberry charm, which is super cute, and it's also scented like strawberries. It smells so good. If you like very stretchy and clicky slimes, I definitely recommend you this one. This one is Lollipop Rock. It is a very thick and stretchy slime. It's also very glossy, and it has a whole bunch of foam beads at the very top, and it will come with a random little lollipop charm. This one is also not scented, but guess what? I do have a thicker slime than this one. It's just, you guys have to keep watching so you can see it. This one is sherbet ice cream, and this one is so pretty. It is a cloud cream. It has 4 different colors, and it will come topped off with some iridescent white glitter, and it will also come with a red marshmallow foam bead and an ice cream charm. This one is so cute in my opinion. It's very stretchy and very creamy and nice. This one is also not scented. If you have a scent allergy or anything like that, I definitely recommend you this one. Super nice. Comment down below if I should do some cloud slimes, because I really need to buy some instant snow so I can bring some of my cloud slimes back. So yeah. Okay guys, so this one is the OG thickest slime ever. This one is pink flamingo, and this time it comes with pink foam beads, and it will come with a random lollipop charm. This one is so thick guys. It's very thick and creamy and stretchy, and the foam beads just give it a way different texture. It's definitely one of my favorites, and I will keep bringing this one back because it's just great. It's just great. I don't know, I can't explain this slime, but it's not scented. If you guys want me to scent it, what kind of scent should I add into it? So this one is Gold Village, and it is a very glittery gold slime with a whole bunch of foam beads at the very top and glitters. If you like very thick and stretchy clear slimes, I definitely recommend you this one. It is super stretchy and thick. I also have a tutorial on how to make clear slime. If you guys want to check it out, just click the little eye at the very top of the video. Okay guys, so here's peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. It is a very creamy and stretchy butter slime. It will come with a random cookie charm, and it also comes with foam beads and chunky chocolate chips. It's just amazing. It's definitely one of my favorites. If you guys want a tutorial on how to make sprinkles, make sure that you guys let me know in the comments. By the way guys, this one is also scented like fudgy brownies, so it smells just like chocolate. It smells so nice. So I decided to bring Lucky Charms cereal back, and I actually added some sprinkles at the very bottom, so it's really nice. If you guys don't know about this one is a very thick and stretchy slime, and it comes with green and orange foam beads and sprinkles. They're super nice, and it's just so pretty. This one is scented like fruits. It's more like on the orange and lemon side than on like berry sides. So here's cocktail fruit, and if you guys don't know about this one, I haven't posted a video on it, but this one has everything in it. It has fishbowl beads, it has rainbow foam beads, it has sprinkles, it has everything that you can add into slime. It is like an orange color. It looks really bright on camera, but it's actually lighter. It is a clear base with like a white base. It has everything. It is not a smoothie slime. It's a slime that I just made randomly, and I really like it. It's very stretchy and really nice. So this one is iced heart, and this one has a different lighting so you guys can see the holographic glitter. It comes with 4 hearts, and it's just a very pretty jiggly holographic slime. And this one is not scented. This one is called the House of the Bees, and this one has sprinkles. It is a jelly cube slime, and it has a whole bunch of add-ins, and it will also come with a random bee charm. By the way, guys, there's a part in this video with a couple bees flying around, and you'll see about that if you keep watching the video. So here's Dumbo. This one I actually brought back. Also, it has so many sprinkles, and it also has some packing peanuts at the very top. It's scented like cotton candy. It smells super good, and it's very stretchy, and this one is definitely one of my favorites. So this one is called the Sad Gummy Bear, and I don't know why I put that name, but I really like it. It is a very stretchy fishbowl slime with a whole bunch of sprinkles and add-ins into it. It is a light pink color with a whole bunch of glitters, and it is a little bit hard in this video because I did overactivate it when I was making it, so I'm really sorry about that. But when you get it, it will be very stretchy or probably melted, but I do include borax into the package. So this one is bee honey, and it will come with the little flying bee. It's definitely one of my favorites. You guys have probably already seen this one, but I did add some jelly cubes and I did squish them, so sorry about that, but they will come with jelly cubes and they're really nice. So here's Candy Store. This one will come with a random candy charm. It is a clear base, and you guys have probably already seen this one. I did change the name, but I'm sorry about that. It's very stretchy. It has a whole bunch of sprinkles and glitters and a whole bunch of different add-ins, and it's definitely one of my favorites. It's also a little bit overactivated. I'm sorry about that. Okay guys, so I know this video is really long, but trust me, this is one of the best videos I've ever done. The lighting is great, everything is just amazing. So here is the last one. and you guys have probably already seen this one. This one is crunchy candy bar, and it has a whole bunch of different foam beads, and it's very crunchy, as you can see right here, and very stretchy. And it will come with a random charm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a really big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.